Welcome to today's episode. We're diving deep into the fascinating world of databases, specifically a project called toydb, a distributed SQL database built entirely in Rust as an educational endeavor. So why should you care about toydb? Well, have you ever wondered how databases work under the hood, especially in distributed environments? You're in for a treat. Let's kick off by talking about the foundational aspects of toydb. It implements Raft, a distributed consensus algorithm. Now you might be thinking, what's this raft thing all about? Well, imagine a group of people trying to make a decision together, say, where to eat dinner. They need to discuss, agree, and make sure everyone is on the same page to prevent chaos. That's essentially what Raft does for distributed systems. It ensures all nodes in a database agree on the same state. Next, toydb incorporates ACID transactions with MVCC-based snapshot isolation. And yes, I know that's a mouthful. ACID stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Picture it like a bank transaction. When you transfer money from one account to another, you want that transaction to be all or nothing. Either the money moves or it doesn't. That's atomicity. By using MVCC, which stands for multi-version concurrency control, toydb allows readers to get the data without waiting for writers, quite like how you can have multiple friends chatting at once without stepping on each other's toes. Now, a standout feature of toydb is its pluggable storage engine, offering options like Bitcask and even in-memory backends. Here's where things get fun. Imagine building a Lego structure. You have various pieces to choose from. Some are meant for sturdiness, while others are for quick setups. The pluggable architecture of toydb lets developers tweak it to suit their needs, whether for speed or reliability. Let's talk SQL. Everyone's favorite way to interact with databases. toydb supports SQL features like joins and aggregates. For those who might not be familiar, joining tables is like mixing fruits in a smoothie. You're combining different ingredients to make something delicious and cohesive. And having aggregates? That's like crunching numbers in your kitchen, figuring out how many calories are in your smoothie after you've tossed in all those fruits. And here's something cool. There's a command line client that allows users to create tables and kick off queries. Think of it as your personal chef, ready to whip up your favorite dish at your command. You can create a table for, let's say, your favorite movies, insert data, and even fetch it in a tidy manner. Neat, right? Now, toydb isn't just about cool features. It also has a practical side with benchmarks. While performance isn't the primary goal, there's a workload benchmark tool that lets you see how toydb behaves under various scenarios. Want to know how it handles read and write loads? Just fire it up and observe how efficiently it processes those requests. It's like a performance review for your database. While we're on the topic of performance, the results can be surprising. For instance, the write performance may seem lackluster under certain conditions, but turning off fsync, similar to putting a pause on a safety check, can really boost speed, albeit with trade-offs. This is a classic case of choosing speed over reliability, something many developers face. As we wrap up, the beauty of toydb lies in its simplicity and educational value. It's not just a project, but a stepping stone to understanding the complex world of distributed SQL databases. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just someone who's curious, toydb provides a clear illustration of the core concepts that drive database architectures today. So what do you think? Does this spark a desire to learn more about databases? Maybe even try building your own? Remember, every big project starts small, just like toydb did back in 2020. Thanks for tuning in to this analysis.